Hi, in this video, I'm going to give you a comprehensive prompt that you can use to systematically assess and analyze any Agile epic. This will ensure that all the essential aspects are considered during the planning and execution stages. In this video, I've provided a template with about 25 ways that you can customize to analyze an epic. And I'm going to go ahead and paste it into the ChatGPT chat box. Okay, and this is telling it that we want to give it an epic and we want to have this epic analyzed for a number of criteria just to ensure that it meets all of the requirements that we have when we write an epic. So it says absolutely, we'll make sure this epic aligns with what you want it to. Go ahead and enter the epic. So I'm going to go ahead and copy in an epic. Okay. And this is an epic for streamlining customer support ticket resolution. And it's a fairly well written epic to optimize the customer support process. So I'm going to go ahead and paste that in. And you can see by the chat, it's a fairly comprehensive epic. And I'm going to go ahead and ask ChatGPT to analyze it based on the criteria I've given it and give me some feedback. Okay, so it's looking at probably 20 different things that you can customize for your team based on what you want to look at. And so it's telling me about the description, the statement, the business objective, our market trends included. In this case, it's telling me that dependencies are not explicitly mentioned. There's no mention of a timeline. Status and progress tracking are not addressed. So you can see it's really going through and giving me a comprehensive review of 20 parts of an epic that would be great. And then it's telling me at the bottom what's specifically missing. Risk assessment, resource allocation, change description, sustainability, data migration, user communication, all not included in the epic. So this is a great way to just write an epic and then for you and your team to see if it's meeting your standards. So let's go ahead and do it again, and let's do it a different way. So let's paste in the prompt to analyze the epic again that I've given you. I'm going to go ahead and paste in that prompt here. I'll start a new chat. Okay, and in this case, I'm going to tell this particular prompt to only tell me what's missing. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that prompt. Okay. And this time I'm going to put in an epic for Alva, a personal okay. For Alva, an AI-powered virtual assistant. And again, I've written this epic differently, and it's got some user stories, it's got user benefit, things like that. Still fairly comprehensive. And let's go ahead and analyze this epic. Okay, well, it's telling me a network error. So when this happens, don't despair. Just means that there could have been network traffic or something happened. Let's go ahead and regenerate this. It's already got the question in the epic. So let's tell it to try it again. Okay, there we go. Based on the epic, here's an analysis of what might be missing according to your criteria. The epic statement is missing something, business objective, a measurable outcome, technical feasibility, dependencies are not clearly stated. So you can see that this is an analysis of this epic, telling me what I could improve here. And it looks like there's quite a few things that could be improved in this epic, even though I thought it was comprehensive. It included a great description and a lot of great user stories. And it says, while there are user stories, high level tasks for breaking down the epic are not outlined. So, all right. So it had 32 critiques of this particular epic, 34 actually. So what's great about this is you can go ahead and uh, use this prompt. You can templatize this prompt to use for any epic, and also you can customize it to include any of the aspects that you want. So again, this had about 34 ways that we are analyzing this epic, but for you and your team, you can put in the most important ways. And that way you can just check an epic when you're done and get some ideas on how you can improve it before you share it with you and your team. Okay, I hope this was helpful in analyzing the quality of epics to help improve your development process. My name is Steve Hall. If you want more information on how ChatGPT can help product managers, please visit my blog at chatgptforpm.com. Thank you.